Alright, quick ano lang tayo dito, parang review sa Paseo Premier Hotel. This is just across Paseo Outlets in Nuvali, Laguna para sa birthday ng daddy ko. So ito, actually galing akong gig ng Okada, dumiretso ako. I got there 9 p.m. and ito early in the morning. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung room. So it's deluxe room. Medyo weird lang yung CR kasi kita mo yung nasa loob. Tapos parang walang lock. Ayan. So, ito naman yung food sa buffet. Ayan. Daddy G approved. Masarap naman yung food nila. Malasa. And there's quite a few options available. Pag Sunday, meron silang omelette station. Nung Saturday, wala. So, okay naman. Overall, maganda yung ambience niya. Now, one thing I would actually comment on is if they can improve their parking. Kasi mabaho dun sa parking area nila underground. They have a scenic elevator that goes up to the 7th floor and also diretso sa parking area. So, overall, masaya naman or okay naman yung stay namin dito. At yun lang talaga, medyo mabaho talaga yung amoy sa underground parking. Hope they can improve on that. Overall, happy naman kami. So, like, 4 more.